Lately, a lot of people have been talking about AI, and I think to some people, especially in the small to medium sized space, people feel like they don't know how to get started with AI, or they don't have more to invest, or they don't quite understand it. So, what I wanted to do here was just do a really quick video on how you can start using AI in Business Central today without installing an app, without opening up a checkbook, without doing anything fancy. So, in this video, my goal is just to show you 5 ways to use AI in BC today. So, we're going to go through Copilot for everyday tasks. We'll talk about autofill, the Copilot chat, marketing text, and then summaries. So let's envision that I am a new user to Business Central and I need to create some items, let's say for production or purchasing. So I'll go to my item list, I'll select new. I'm shown here these templates that I have for these items, so I'll just select one. So it's given me an item number, and then here I've got a description. So let's envision that you were in like the automotive space. You could put in attributes like the material, the finish, the size, color, how you would apply it, weight, whatever it is that you want. And if you've assigned these attributes inside of your item card, you can actually use this icon here to suggest a description for you based on those attributes. So that's something that you could do. Here, you could just type in a description. I'll just do that for now, just for the sake of time. But whenever you see that little icon there, that's something that you can use. So, I know the item's not blocked, it's a new item. I know that it's inventory and the base unit of measure is going to be pieces that came in from my template. Maybe this field here, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, geez, I've never used this before. This is something new. I'm new to Business Central. Is this something I need? Is this something that I need more information about? So one of the things that I can do is down here, I've got this Ask Copilot. I can click on this, and then over here you can see that it's starting to go out and look up to help me find more information about this field that I can review. So up here you can see I had asked it earlier about a description, so it gave me a little bit of a descriptor. Here I've got this field. It identifies the item for electronic document sending and receiving. I can read through it. I can look at the references. I can drill into those references to find more information. This was enough for me, and through this, I can see that I actually don't need that information, and maybe I could personalize it off. So that's something that I think is really, really powerful because new fields and functions get added in Business Central all the time, and the ability to be able to just open up this Ask Copilot, get more information, and figure out if that's something I need, I think is pretty powerful. All right, so keeping on this, let's keep going with the autofill function. So down below, maybe I'm looking at this and there's a reordering policy. Not 100% sure which one I should choose for this. So I want to see what AI or Copilot thinks based on other items in my system or things like that. So here I can click on this suggest a value for this field, and you can use this anywhere. You can use it on address, you can use it on item descriptions, like I said. But I'm going to click on this and have it go through and give me a suggestion based on what it thinks. So here it's given me one suggestion that you can see here. It's letting me know that the AI content might be incorrect, of course. So here I've got a little bit of information, I guess, to be able to tell me why it chose this. So it says it's the most frequently used for this type of field in your company. So if I believe that this makes sense, I can go ahead and keep this, or I can change it, or I can just throw it out. So if I like this, I can go ahead and just say keep, and now it's updated that field to the suggestion that it gave me. All right, so now I am going to do an analyze and talk to Copilot about my data. So let's look at this, and maybe I'm looking at these items and I can see here that I've got a couple of negatives, and I know enough about inventory to know that I don't really like my inventory to be negative. Now, of course, I can do things like filter. I can export this to Excel and I could, cut and paste and look up and all the things. But I can also just chat with Copilot in my own natural language and ask questions that I have. So up here, I've got my little icon here. I'm going to click on Analyze List, and now describe the layout that I want, and Copilot will get started. So maybe I would like to see all items with negative on hand inventory. So here I'm generating, and now what I do is I have my little assistant here in Copilot, and it's gone through and it's taken this list, it's opened it up in analysis mode, which gives me the ability to review my data. I can do a little pivot here. If I wanted, I could group it based on like a certain unit of measure code or vendor or anything that I want, or I can simply just look at it this way. But I didn't need to go and do my filtering and open up analysis mode. I was able just to chat with Copilot, ask a question that I have, and let it generate my list. So in my next example, we will look at marketing text. So I have an item card here. My item has detail about it, but over here, I can see that I don't have any kind of marketing text that I can put on collateral, send out to prospects, even send out to customers if I want. So I'm going to go ahead and say draft with Copilot. Based on attributes and information on the item card, it has now created for me a smart little catchy text that I can, like I said, use in my marketing. I can regenerate. For example, if I don't like that, let's say, for example, I'm like, too wordy, whatever, tone. So I can say here, you know what? I'm a creative person. I want to regenerate that in a creative way. So what it's doing is it's going through and it's rejigging it based on the tone that I want to use. We've got a format. We've got emphasis. So all of this information allows the AI to be able to generate something for you that's consistent. Like everything, we do want to review this, make sure it's accurate, make sure that it makes sense before we send it out. But if everything looks good, I can go ahead and keep it. And now I've got a marketing text that's associated to the item. Along with my Athens desk here, I can go in and I can also do summary with Copilot. So up here, you can see that I've got this summary fact box here. So what I can do is I can gather information and insights about the item by clicking just start summarizing here. So what it's now doing is it's using my Business Central data to be able to summarize information about this specific item. So obviously I can do this on different items and I can use this throughout Business Central. It's still in preview mode, so it's something that they're working on, but you can see here now it's given me information about this specific item. So it's not blocked, it has a negative inventory quantity of 4. There's a purchase order that's been created for it. It's got a reorder point. I've got price information. So here I can go ahead, I can copy this, I can share it with other people in my organization. I can click on show more and see more information. So again, if I want to talk to my inventory manager, if I want to talk to customers about this item, I now have more information that I didn't need to collect randomly from other sources. So again, the goal of this video was just to show you guys ways that you may already be engaging with AI and not even realizing it, or just really simple down to earth ways that you can start to engage with AI without it being this big, massive undertaking. You don't have to install extra apps. You don't have to pay for extra licenses. All you have to do is use the Copilot features within Business Central to help enhance your decision making and enhance your day-to-day functionality.